Can structured settlements be modified after the agreement is signed? In recent discussions within personal injury law, a pressing question has emerged. Can structured settlements be modified after the agreement is signed? This topic is gaining attention as more individuals seek clarity on their financial options following personal injury cases. If you or someone you know is navigating this situation, you are not alone. Structured settlements are legal agreements where a plaintiff receives compensation through periodic payments instead of a lump sum. These arrangements are designed to provide long-term financial security for the injured party. Once a structured settlement agreement is signed, making changes is generally challenging but not impossible under certain conditions. Typically, these agreements are legally binding contracts. Modifications after signing often requiring specific circumstances or court approval. One way modifications may occur is if both parties voluntarily agree to changes and the court approves them. However, this situation is quite rare since the original terms are intended to protect the plaintiff's interests. Another scenario involves significant changes in circumstances, such as a medical emergency or financial hardship. In these cases, the courts will carefully scrutinize requests to ensure that the original purpose of the settlement is not undermined. Additionally, some structured settlements may include provisions that allow for future modifications under specific conditions. Despite these possibilities, courts usually resist altering structured settlements. The periodic payment structure offers stable and predictable income streams, protecting plaintiffs from poor financial decisions or creditor claims. Therefore, strong justification is needed before a court will approve any modifications. If a plaintiff wants to access funds earlier or change the payment schedule, selling future payments through a structured settlement factoring company is an option. However, this process involves financial costs and also requires court approval. In summary, while structured settlements can be modified after signing, it is uncommon. Modifications requiring court approval based on compelling reasons such as changed circumstances or mutual agreement. The legal framework prioritizes maintaining the original agreement to protect the injured party's long-term financial security.